everyone! Have you ever checked the weather forecast and saw something like 80% chance of rain? Have you ever wondered if how meteorologists predict weather? Well, that's how statistics probabilities come in. Today, I explain how probabilities help us to understand and prepare in any weather conditions. Meteorologists collect data using satellites, radar, and past weather records. They use this data to calculate the probability of the certain weather event happening. For example, if it rained 8 times out of the last 10 days in the same condition, they might say that there's an 80% chance of the rain today. If the weather report says that there's a 70% chance of rain, it means in the similar past weather condition, it rained 7 out of 10 times. But it doesn't mean that it will definitely rain, but it's very likely. Let's say I have an outdoor event today. Then the forecast says that there's a 30% chance of a rain. Should I bring an umbrella? Well, some might take a risk, then some others might be cautious. Then this is an example of how we use probability in our daily decision making. So here's our given problem. The weather report states that there's a 70% chance of a rain on Saturday and a 40% chance of the rain on Sunday. What is the probability that it will rain on at least one of these 2 days? So here's our formula. P of A and B equals P of A plus P of B minus P of A and B. So our P of A is 0.6 because we're using decimal. And then our P of B is 0.4. So to get the P of A and B, we have to multiply the P of A and P of B. So 0.6 times 0.4 is equals to 0.24. So we already get the P of A and B. Let's proceed in our solution. So P of A and B is equals to 0.6 plus 0.4 minus 0.24. So let's solve it. 0.6 plus 0.4 minus 0.24 is equals to 0.76. So there's a 70% chance that it will rain on at least one of these 2 days. Probability in weather forecast helps in disaster preparedness too. If a typhoon has 90% chance of hitting a city, people can evacuate early and the government can prepare relief efforts. So next time when you check weather, remember, you're using statistics and probability. Forecasting helps us to avoid getting wet, to plan our day, and to prepare for extreme weather. Thanks for watching and see you next time!